Is space eerily silent like we thought it was? Bizarre, otherworldly sounds like radio waves, unsettling hums, and even cosmic screams suggest otherwise. These are the most insane space sounds ever recorded, and they'll blow your mind. The beautiful patterns that seem like solid rings around Saturn are in reality a mess of solar dust and jagged icy rocks violently revolving around the gaseous giant. The chaotic debris generates sounds that resemble faint radio signals during a hurricane. The strange dwarf planet discovered in 1801 between the orbits of Jupiter and Mars adds to the mysteries of the deep abyss of space. Despite being classified as just a mass of asteroid rock, it's known to generate some really insane sounds. An even bigger asteroid discovered 7 years later in 1807 called the 4 Vesta is even more insane. Being the second largest asteroid, it can be visible to the naked eye from Earth too. It sounds like a blend of electronic signals and water dripping. The moon is commonly associated with pleasantries like beauty and romance. That image might be a little hard to visualize for somebody who gets to listen to what our moon can sound like. Our next-door neighbor Mars has been known to show signs of life ever since man started to explore space. Recent research proves that it once had an inhabitable environment too. But hearing sounds recorded from Mars would definitely make anybody who's considering moving there have second thoughts. The largest moon of the largest planet, Jupiter, has an extreme landscape that ranges from immense craters to hills and even mountains. Covered in bright alien green patches, it gives off a consistent hum that has a metallic touch to it. With an irregular shape and an estimated size of about 193 miles by 241 miles, Himalaya doesn't offer much in terms of looks, but one listen will have you wonder if there's some sort of communication device hidden inside sending codes via signal. Photographed by the famous spacecraft Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 in 1979, the celestial body produces remarkably unique sounds, leaving listeners puzzled. One could easily mistake it for a normal rainy day on Earth. Orbiting Saturn at a distance of some 237,000 miles, Rhea has a surface full of craters and an almost non-existent atmosphere. And yet, it sounds like there are constant howling winds blowing with a deep rhythmic pulse every few seconds. Apart from the strange Martian landscape that gives the planet an alien vibe, the unstable environment gives its whole ambience an insane touch with howling winds and deep growls of Marsquakes. The cold and icy surface of Myrnus houses a famous 80-mile crater that makes up 1/3 of its surface. What's strange is that the sounds coming from the moon resemble that of a distant muffled drilling, as if another crater was intentionally being dug. Fractured by Saturn's strong gravitational pull, Dione has bright crack-like features, giving it a unique look, complementing the sounds it emits. One could say the strange wave-like sound makes it seem like the cracks will start oozing out plasma. It's now safe to say that space is stranger than we ever thought, and these insane sounds are proof.